In this video, I will show you how to make Chatbot with N8n. Let's continue. First, add a new workflow and select Chat Message as your trigger. Next, add the AI agent node. This is the powerhouse that will orchestrate everything. An agent needs a brain, so let's plug in the Google Gemini chat model. For this, you will need credentials. To get your API key, go to Studio Google.com and create an API key. Copy it and paste it into N8n. That's done. Now select the model. We will use Gemini 2 Flash for instant results. Perfect. Our agent's brain is now connected. A brain is not enough without memory. Add the simple memory node so the agent can remember previous conversations. Now it's time to give the agent a superpower web search. Add an HTTP request node as a tool. Paste in the Google Custom Search API endpoint URL. Next, toggle the switch for send query parameters. The first parameter should be named key. To get this key, search for Google Custom Search API and click the first link. Scroll down and click on the tab that says Get API Key. Select your project and generate the key. Copy the generated key and go back to N8n, paste it into the value field for the key parameter. Next, you will need a search engine ID, also called CX. To get this, go to Google's programmable search engine page and create a new engine that searches the entire web. When the engine is ready, copy the CX value from the code snippet and paste it into N8n as another query parameter. For the final parameter, type Q for query and set the value so it is defined automatically by the model. This lets the AI decide what to search for during conversations. That completes the setup. Click Save and test it out. Open the chat and ask, "Can you perform a web search?" The agent responds, "Now try a real query, for example, can you tell me today's top tech news?" The agent uses the tool, searches the web, and returns the latest headlines. With this, you have built a fully enabled chatbot with N8n.